Hi, I am Cassie, the English teacher. Today, we are going to learn numbers from 100 to 999. First, our idiom of the week. Ballpark figure. Ballpark figure. So a ballpark is a large stadium, usually for sports. And a figure is in this case, is a number. Okay, so ballpark figure is an estimate. For example, can you give me a ballpark figure for the repair costs? Ballpark figure. Okay, let's review our lesson 32. Seventy-two. 33. 83. 64. 56. 46. Good. Okay, so now we've learned numbers 1 through 10, 10 through 20, and then 20 through 99. Now we are moving on to the hundreds. So this is $100. We're going to use money today to learn the hundreds. $100. $100. $200. $200. $300. $300. $400. $400. $500. $500. As you can see, 100 stays the same. We just changed the word in front. 400, 500, $600. $600. $700. $700. $800. $800. $900. $900. Okay, so that's the hundreds. Now with this number, we have 500s, and then you already know how to say 32. So we have $532. $532. Okay, we don't use the word and in here anywhere, just $532. For this example, $489. $489. $761. $761. $502. $502. So with this one, there's no tens, right? So we have 502. $502. $370. $370. $645.27. So in the US, we use a decimal point between dollars and cents. We use the decimal point, okay? So anything in front of the decimal point is going to be dollars. Anything after is cents, okay? So you can think of paper bills and coins, right? So $645, here's where and comes in. The decimal is an and. $645 and 27 cents. $645 and 27 cents. $178 and 50 cents. Okay? One thing, a lot of times people leave out the 100. So you might hear 178.50. 178.50. Okay, but that means $178 and 50 cents. $297 and 36 cents. Or $297.36. $297.36. Okay. Okay, so let's practice those. $679 and 32 cents. $679 and 32 cents, or $679.32. $512 and 66 cents, or $512.66. $846 and 24 cents, or $846.24. $379 and 41 cents. $379 and 41 cents, or $379.41. $209 and 55 cents. $209 and 55 cents. $209.55, or $209.55 maybe. Good. Okay, here is some conversation practice. How much does this cost? That computer is $769. Thanks. And the monitor? The monitor is $129.95. Okay, I will do white, you do the black. Ready? How much does this cost? Thanks. And the monitor? Good. Now let's switch. You do white, I'll do black. Ready? Go. That computer is $769. The monitor is $129.95. Good. Okay, this is dictation practice. I am going to say a sentence. You need to listen, write it down, and then check your work. Listen, write, check. Okay, first of all, the rent is $995. 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 The electric bill was $329.45. 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 That computer is $835.99. That computer is $835.99. That computer is $835.99. That computer is $835.99. This dress is $279. This dress is $279. This dress is $279. This dress is $279. My address is 4869 Main Street. 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 The tickets are $429. The tickets are $429. The tickets are $429. The tickets are $429. My number is 732-849-5263. My number is 732-849-5263. My number is 732-849-5263. That cost $368.26. That cost $368.26. That costs $368.26. That costs $368.26. My number is 474-256-1178. My number is 474-256-1178. My number is 474-256-1178. Great job. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.